Hello students, myself Aniket Nikam. I welcome you all. I would like to discuss a problem based on functional dependency as well as lossless join property that is asked in NIC 17 December 2017 scientist B exam. Okay. Now look at the question. The question is which of the following statement are not correct? We have to identify. The first S1 says 3NF decomposition is always lossless join and dependency preserving. S2 says that 3NF decomposition is always lossless join but may or may not be dependency preserving. S3 says that BCNF is always lossless join and dependency preserving, and S4 says that BCNF is always lossless join but may or may not be dependency preserving. Okay, so we have to identify. So understand the principle. You can prove also that. So 3NF decomposition, when we convert a table from 2NF to 3NF, that time that 3NF decomposition is always lossless as well as functional dependency preserving property. According to this rule, this statement that you can prove that S1 is correct. Okay, so now the options given only S1. I will drop out that option, and again S1 and S2 I will drop out the two options. Now we have dealt with S4 and S2, S3. Look at the S4 statement. What is S4? BCNF is always lossless join but may or may not be dependency preserving, and that is also correct. Okay, so BCNF decomposition is lossless, that is essential property, but it is not, it is may or may not be dependency preserving property. Okay, now that's why we can say that this is also correct. So I will drop out the S4 statement. Okay, so now I have removed three options, only one option I left with, that is S2 and S3, and that is a correct option. Okay, let's look at the, that is a way shortcut you can directly solve the problem, but again we will look at the S2 statement. 3NF decomposition is always lossless join but may or may not be dependency preserving, and that is false, wrong option, that is not correct. Okay, incorrect option. And S3 is BCNF is always lossless join and dependency preserving, that is opposite of S2, so that should be again that is a wrong option. So understand, 3NF is always having lossless as well as functional dependency preserving decomposition property. Means what? The relations are in 3NF. When we go for 2NF to 3NF, that time that decomposition called 3NF decomposition, and that will be always giving the property of lossless join when data is not lost. I have discussed in my previous videos how to check lossless join property using shortcut method, and how to how to identify whether it is having functional dependency preserving property or not using algorithm. And another thing is BCNF is, if it is lossless, then it may, BCNF will be always lossless, and it will not, it may or may be functional dependency preserving property. Lossless join property is always essential property. Okay, but functional dependency is not. If decomposition is not having lossless join property, this is bad decomposition. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please like and share the channel. Thank you very much.